Free Tours by Foot is excited to offer you free walking tours of San Francisco, the city by the bay. We offer these tours at no upfront cost to you because we believe you should be able to decide how much your tour was worth. We offer neighborhood tours of Chinatown, Fisherman's Wharf, North Beach, downtown San Francisco, and more. He rode his horse through San Francisco and rode it right through Portsmouth Square here, and he held this jar of gold up in the air, and he yelled out, "Gold! Gold from the American River!" So Sam Brannan became the California's first ever millionaire. Travel back in time with us to the Wild West on the Secrets, Scandals, and Scoundrels tour. In the 1860s and 1870s, this was a terrible part of the city. It was about 99% men, about 99% young men who were coming here. There's also a lot of criminals that came out here. We'd love for you to visit with us in San Francisco and experience the eye-catching views, the amazing characters, and the fascinating history of our city, so you can find out why we think San Francisco is the greatest city in the world.
He led us to places we would not have found ourselves, and that's why we booked the tour.
All the stories he told were like really interesting, so nothing boring.
Britt does a great job. We went on his tour, what was it? Castro, which was fantastic. And, I just would encourage people to try it out because it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I love it. It was really nice. I'm happy.
Our guides are enthusiastic, passionate about history, and we love our city. So join us out in San Francisco, and we guarantee that you'll love it almost as much as we do.